Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back again to another video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to convert any website like YouTube, Udemy, and W3 schools into a desktop app. But before we dive into the video, if you are new to the channel, this is a case info tech where we simplify tech for you. Please support the channel by clicking on the subscribe button and liking the video. Your support really means a lot to me. Now let's get started. So to convert any website into a desktop app, please stick and stay with me to the end whilst I take you through the step-by-step approach. Okay, so to get started, I'm going to open Microsoft Edge. And then for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to use YouTube, Udemy, and W3 schools for demonstration. Okay, so I'm going to go with the YouTube. So to convert the YouTube into a desktop app, I'm going to click on the search, the three dots, then I move to apps, then I click on install YouTube. So I'm going to click on install. Okay, so now it's finished installing, so I'm going to create a desktop shortcut as well, okay, by checking the box. Then I click on allow. So now it's asking if I want to ping to the taskbar, so I'll click on yes, I want to do so. Okay, so now I'm going to search for Udemy. And now to install the Udemy as an app, I'm going to click on the three dots, the settings, then I go to apps, and then I click on install this site as an app. So I'm going to click on install. Then I'm going to create a desktop shortcut. Okay, so I'm going to click on yes to ping to the taskbar. So I'm going to close this, and then I'm going to search for W3 schools. Okay, so I'm going to click on the three dots, then I'm going to move to apps, then I click on install this site as an app. So I'm going to click on install. So I'm going to create a desktop shortcut, and then I'll click on allow. I'm going to click on yes to pin to the taskbar. Okay, so let me close the browser. So now you see we have the website installed as an app. So this is the shortcut for the applications we've installed. Okay, the website as an app. So if I click on the start, you can see the applications we've installed here, the website we've installed as an app, the YouTube, Udemy, and W3 School. So if I click on the YouTube, it takes it directly to YouTube, okay, like an application without using the browser. Okay, so you see, so you can search for anything you want from here. Okay, so let me click on the Udemy. It takes us directly to Udemy. Okay, so you can search for any course you want to study on Udemy. Okay, and then let me go to W3 schools, and here you can search for any course, okay, with regards to IT. Okay, so we also have the pinned applications here on the taskbar. Okay, we have the YouTube, Udemy, and W3 schools, so you can launch from here as well. Okay, and it will open the YouTube. Okay, so you can do the same thing for the Udemy and then the W3 schools. Okay, so after you've used the website as an applications and you want to uninstall them, you go back to the Microsoft Edge, and then you are going to click on the three dots, and then we move to apps, and then we are going to click on view apps. Okay, the applications we've installed. So these are the applications we've installed using the Microsoft Edge. Okay, the W3 schools, the Udemy, and then the YouTube. So to uninstall them, we are going to click on these three dots, more options, and then we click on uninstall. Okay, so I'm going to uninstall the W3 schools, then I check the box to clear all data, then I uninstall. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing for Udemy as well, and then for YouTube. Okay, so this brings us to the end of the tutorial. Please, if you find value in this video, please support the channel by clicking on the subscribe button and liking the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye for now.